Welcome to the verdant world of bamboo, a plant that's not only a symbol of strength and flexibility but also a cornerstone of sustainability and eco-innovation.
Interestingly, bamboo can grow up to 90 centimeters in a single day, making it one of the fastest growing plants on Earth.
Bamboo releases 34% more oxygen into the atmosphere and absorbs more carbon dioxide compared to an equivalent mass of trees.
A bamboo forest can be fully mature and ready for harvesting within 4 to 5 years, unlike hardwood trees which can take up to 40 years.
Worldwide, there are approximately 1,440 species of bamboo, each with its unique qualities and uses.
The tensile strength of bamboo is on par with steel, approximately 620 megapascals, which is why it's widely used in construction, especially in earthquake-prone areas.
One bamboo clump can produce up to 15 kilometers of usable pole in its lifetime.
Bamboo can be used to create over 1,000 different products, from flooring and furniture to clothing and ancient paper.
Thomas Edison used a bamboo filament for one of the first successful light bulbs in the 1880s, lasting over 1,200 hours.
Bamboo naturally repels pests and diseases, largely eliminating the need for pesticides.
In traditional medicine, bamboo shoots are believed to improve appetite and digestion, and to treat various diseases.
Bamboo has a natural bioagent known as bamboo-coon that makes it antibacterial and antifungal.
Surprisingly, bamboo can survive over 9 years in the absence of light, which makes it a resilient plant in various environmental conditions.
Bamboo is integral to the diet of some animals, including the giant panda, which consumes approximately 84% of their diet as bamboo.
The first recorded use of bamboo dates back to about 5,000 years ago in China, for making weapons and tools. Bamboo has a unique self-cooling mechanism in the day and can warm up at night, providing calm and comfortable environments.
Culturally, bamboo is a symbol of virtue in many Asian cultures, often associated with resilience, longevity, and tenacity.
In terms of water conservation, bamboo requires only about a third of the water that is necessary for other trees of similar biomass. Bamboo can grow at various altitudes, from sea level up to 4,000 meters in the Himalayas.
Bamboo's root system, or rhizome, can effectively prevent soil erosion, making it a key species for ecological restoration projects.
The world record for the tallest bamboo is a staggering 47 meters, found in the Arunachal Pradesh region of India. Bamboo is more than just a plant. It's a lifeline for many rural economies around the world, providing a primary source of income and materials. Innovatively, bamboo is being used in modern technology, including making bike frames, which are as sturdy as traditional frames but far more sustainable.
Ancient societies once used bamboo as a form of long-distance communication, carving messages into bamboo sticks.
Bamboo charcoal is known for its purification properties, effectively absorbing odors and toxins in the environment.
Bamboo beer, made by fermenting the sap of certain bamboo species, is a unique and traditional drink in some cultures.
Bamboo has a higher compressive strength than wood, brick, or concrete, and its strength-to-weight ratio is comparable to graphite.
Some types of bamboo can survive freezing temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius, showcasing its versatility and resilience.
Bamboo is considered a critical element in the fight against global warming, thanks to its rapid growth cycle and carbon sequestration capabilities.
The process of turning bamboo into fabric for clothing is environmentally friendly, producing a material that's softer than cotton and has natural antimicrobial properties.
Bamboo instruments, such as flutes and drums, have a rich history in various cultures, celebrated for their natural, soothing sounds.
Bamboo scaffolding, still widely used in Asia, is not only sustainable, but also extremely flexible, making it safer in areas with high seismic activity.
Bamboo's lightweight and strength make it an ideal material for emergency shelters and bridges in disaster-stricken areas. NASA has studied bamboo for its potential uses in space habitats, appreciating its regenerative properties and strength.
Bamboo's spiritual significance spans many beliefs, often used in rituals and ceremonies to symbolize peace and prosperity. In culinary arts, bamboo shoots are a versatile ingredient, adding a crisp texture and sweet flavor to many dishes.
The flexibility of bamboo allows it to bend without breaking, symbolizing adaptability and resilience in challenging times.
Globally, the demand for bamboo products is rising, not only for its environmental benefits but also for its aesthetics and durability.
Finally, bamboo plays a pivotal role in the future of sustainable development, with its potential bound only by our creativity and innovation.